Hey everyone, it's Steve here, and today we're unboxing the brand new Sony WH1000XM4s. Taking a look at the outside of the box, Sony have continued with their sleek design, and we can see some of the new features highlighted, such as the DSEE Extreme. Opening up the box, the first thing we'll see is the case, which has a storage pouch on the back and a zipper to access the headphones. Inside the pouch are the headphones themselves, which are a very similar design to the previous XM3s, with a few aesthetic adjustments and some new hardware upgrades. We've got the USB-C charge cable, which as you can see is very compact and great for travel. The USB-C connection will also give you insanely fast charge speeds, providing 5 hours of use with just a 10-minute charge. Next up is the 3.5mm cable, which is long enough to reach your pocket if you need to plug in or connect to something that doesn't use Bluetooth. The beauty of this cable is that it's a 3.5mm jack on each end, making it easy to find replacement cables on the go. Finally, we have the airplane adapter, which is still a very welcome addition considering how well noise cancellation works on a flight. This means you'll still be able to enjoy your in-flight movies while using your Sony XM4s. So that's everything in the box for the Sony XM4s. For more help, contact your local JB Hi-Fi today.